So the big picture for this lesson is surface area of a cone. So here you can see a cone on the left here, and the height is perpendicular to the radius, and the radius is, of course, the distance from the center to the side of the cone at the base. Then there's this measurement that's a cursive L, that's called the slant height. The slant height is key for finding the surface area. If you look at the net of the cone, the area is the bottom, or the base, which is a circle, so that area is pi r squared. And then there's the lateral area, which is the light blue part here. The area for that is pi times the radius times the slant height. So to find the total surface area, you add those together. So let's say, for example, you have a cone and this measurement is 3, and this measurement here is 5. So the surface area would be pi times 3, that's the radius, squared, plus pi times the radius 3 again, and then times the slant height, which is 5. So that equals pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So I'm just going to write this as pi times 9, or simply 9 pi. And if it's easier for you to switch these around first, you can do that. Over here, pi times 3 times 5, well, 3 times 5 is 15, so I'm going to put 15 pi for that one. So how do you add these? Well, pi is not a variable, but it kind of acts like one in this case. Remember, pi is 3.14, but it looks a lot like 9x plus 15x here. That equals 24x. You just add the 9 pi plus the 15 pi, that makes 24 pi. So that's your surface area. The only other little wrinkle here is sometimes with a cone, you'll be given the radius and the vertical height, not the slant height. So if I put this as 4, you would need to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the slant height first, and then apply the surface area formula. So that's the big picture for this lesson.